Hi, I'm Tom from Genoa Signs and Graphics, and I'm going to take you through some of the steps to install a window cling decal with a wet application. First thing you need to know is what tools are you going to need. First, we're going to use some soapy water, just a straight dish soap and water. Not much, just like a few drops in maybe a cup of water. This is a spray bottle with just straight water, an applicator tool, masking tape, and a measuring device. You can use this or a level. And then plenty of microfiber towels, lint-free cloth. First, we're going to start with prepping the surface using soapy water and a lint-free towel. Cross-hatching to get the most friction on the surface. Take another towel and wipe it dry. Once you feel it drag, you know it's dry and clean. There's no oil. You know, take a look and see. No handprints, anything. Okay? This is just plain water with the spray bottle here. You want to get the surface saturated. Carefully peel the graphic. Be mindful of any edges. Peel slowly and watch for any of the edges to not comply with your peeling. You don't want to crease the graphic because that might show. Hang on to that. You should be able to float this a little bit so you're happy with it. And while it is sitting there, I will take a measurement just to see. Take a straight edge of one of the characters. 13 and just a little more than this. Adjust it till you're happy. And take your tool with the felt side, squeegee from the center out. You always want to be careful of the edges where the die cut lines are so that you don't catch any of those and harm the graphic. Take one of your towels here and gently take off some of the water so you can see what it looks like. And it looks like I got all the water out. There we go. Now suppose you're not happy with how it came out and you want to reposition it, you want to move it, whatever. So you just take the end of the razor blade, just catch one corner just to get it to lift. Carefully lift it, again being mindful of the die cut edges. And you start those application steps over again. Because there's a chance there was some contamination, I'll just clean it again. No harm there. And there you are.